Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy. Welcome to our quick guide on crypto staking for beginners. Have you ever wondered how to make your cryptocurrency work for you? Well, staking is a fantastic way to do just that, much like earning interest in a traditional savings account. Essentially, it involves locking up your digital assets to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you receive rewards. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what staking is, how it benefits you, and how you can get started on your staking journey. So, how does staking actually work? It's all based on a concept called proof of stake, or POS, which is a different way for a blockchain to secure its network compared to proof of work used by Bitcoin. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially pledging your coins to the network. This act helps validate new transactions and add them to the blockchain, keeping the system honest and secure. Your contribution directly supports the stability and efficiency of the entire network, making it a crucial process for many modern cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about the exciting benefits of staking. Perhaps the most appealing advantage is the ability to earn passive income. Instead of your crypto just sitting idle in your wallet, staking allows you to generate additional coins or rewards simply by holding them. Beyond the financial gains, you also play an active role in supporting the decentralization and security of the blockchain network you're staking on. This means your crypto can grow over time, potentially increasing your overall portfolio without requiring constant trading or monitoring. While staking offers great rewards, it's important to understand the potential risks involved. Firstly, the value of your staked cryptocurrency is still subject to market volatility, meaning its price can go up or down. Secondly, many staking platforms impose lock-up periods, during which your assets are inaccessible and cannot be traded, which impacts your liquidity. Lastly, though rare, there's a risk called slashing. If the validator you've chosen acts maliciously or goes offline, you could potentially lose a portion of your staked crypto as a penalty. Always do your research before committing. Ready to give staking a try? Here's how to get started. First, you'll need to choose a reliable platform or wallet that supports staking for the cryptocurrency you're interested in. Popular options include dedicated staking platforms, major exchanges, or specific software wallets. Next, do some research on different cryptocurrencies and their staking rewards, often expressed as an annual percentage yield or APY, to find one that suits your goals. Finally, and this is key, begin with a small amount. This allows you to understand the process, get comfortable with the platform, and mitigate risk before you decide to stake a larger portion of your crypto. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.